Hey everyone! Something big just dropped from Google and somehow barely anyone is talking about it. It's called Google Opal, and it's basically a whole new way to build real web apps without writing a single line of code. Google is calling it a vibe coding tool, and that's not just a fancy term. It means you don't need to think like a programmer anymore. You just describe what you want, and Opal builds it visually. Here's how it works. You go to Opal, type something like, "I want a budget tracker," or "make me a daily planner." And Google's AI gives you a fully working prototype right in your browser. But it's not just some black box. Opal shows you the entire logic of the app. Input blocks, outputs, conditionals, data flow, all mapped out in a flowchart-style layout. You can click on any part of the flow, edit the logic, change the text prompts, or even drag and drop new features into it. No coding, no syntax, no setup, just straight-up app building with your ideas. And once you're happy with it, click Publish. Your app is live on the web and instantly shareable. Anyone with a Google account can use it. You can even remix apps made by other users in the public gallery. That's the real magic here. It's not for devs. It's for creators, educators, small business owners, anyone with an idea and no time to learn programming. Right now, Opal is in public beta and limited to the US. People are already using it to build tools like calculators, habit trackers, mini checklists, and more. But hold on. That's just one piece of what Google's cooking. Let's talk about what their DeepMind AI did this year. At the International Mathematical Olympiad, an elite math competition where only 8% of students win gold, Google's AI came back this year and crushed it. Last year, they needed days to solve problems with help from formal logic tools. But this year, they gave the new Gemini model with Deep Think mode a shot, and it solved 5 out of 6 problems within the competition's 4.5-hour time limit. That's a gold medal score. And the judges said the solutions were clear, accurate, and shockingly human-like. Deep Think mode lets the model explore multiple lines of thought at once, compare them, and then merge the best path forward. Basically, it's thinking like a team of brilliant problem solvers, all in one AI. Now, if that wasn't crazy enough, Google also launched an AI model called Aeneas, and this one is straight out of a history book. Aeneas is trained to restore ancient Roman inscriptions. We're talking broken stone carvings in Latin, worn down by time and weather. Traditionally, historians would take weeks or even months to piece these together. Aeneas can do it in seconds. It reads both the text and the image of the stone, and even guesses the location, date, and missing words with up to 73% accuracy. They tested it on one of the most famous Roman inscriptions in history, and the results matched what top scholars have been debating for years. You can even try it yourself at predictingthepast.com, and yes, they've open-sourced the whole thing. So what does all this mean? Google isn't just building cool AI toys anymore. They're changing how we create, how we think, and even how we understand the past. Opal is making software feel like sketching on a notepad. Gemini is solving elite math. Aeneas is decoding history. If that doesn't blow your mind, I don't know what will. If you found this interesting, hit that like button, subscribe for more updates on real AI tools you can actually use, and let me know in the comments. Which one impressed you the most? Opal, Gemini, or Aeneas?